Welcome. Today in front of me OnePlus 10 Pro, and I'll show you that the device comes with a 3.5mm headphones adapter inside the box. So here we get the paper box with the case, and inside of this one more paper box, we got some paperwork here. Here also we got the USB-C cable and the charger brick, and unfortunately we have no here any adapters, so if you want to use the adapter for headphones later, you should buy the adapter separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.